Hi everyone, in this short video, I'll demonstrate the steps to network unlock any Bird mobile device so that you can use any local or international SIM card. For example, this device was initially restricted to Claro but can now be unlocked to be used with Tigo, Movistar, Telcel, or any other network in the world. Step 1. Remove the original SIM card. Step 2. Put a different carrier's SIM card in. Step 3. Enter the special unlock code of your device. Step 4. Click OK. As you can see, my cell phone was permanently unlocked in under 2 minutes. You can succeed too. To obtain the unique unlock code for your device, just go to unlocklocks.com. Thank you for watching.